Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News headlines in English for 4th November. First of all, national news. Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar to visit Russia on November 8. As air quality worsened, commercial diesel vehicles banned from Delhi roads. Facebook India head Ajit Mohan resigned. Centre approved projects worth 2 lakh crore for Maharashtra PM Modi. Over 45% voter turned out till 3 p.m. in 6 states assembly by elections. By elections 2022, the results of the elections are set to be announced on Sunday. No information now that anyone is missing. Official on Gujarat tragedy. Mangalore Airport to be renamed as Mangaluru Airport. PM Modi to campaign in Gujarat on Sunday. First visit after poll dates are announced. Over 130 dead and no action being taken against the contractors and municipal officials. Mallikarjun Kharge to PM on bridge tragedy. Ukraine conflict widened the scope of political leveraging. S. Jaishankar. Gujarat Assembly election. Gujarat will vote in two phases on December 1 and 5, result on 8 December. Amit Jain, the chief executive officer and co-founder of Car Deco, has replaced the former Bharat Pay founder Ashneer Grover. Waterlogging homes inundated in Chennai outskirts as heavy rains continue. Farm fires contributed 38% in Delhi's pollution yesterday, highest in 2022. Apple users in India to get 5G from next week. And now some international news. Ukraine approved 2023 budget with aim for victory against Russia. Pfizer BioNTech to test combined vaccine for COVID, flu. UN called on nations to urgently boost climate funds. Russia Ukraine war fueling widespread cybersecurity attacks, a report said. Not sure about extending grain deal with Ukraine to next month, Kremlin. Thieves steal an entire school in South Africa's Cape Town brick by brick. US urge all nations to impose sanctions on Korea after missile launch. It looks like a photograph. Joe Biden is mighty impressed with artist who drew his portrait. Russia urged United Nations to help ease Russian food exports. A 23-ton chunk of dead space rocket set to crash back to Earth, according to a report. Now some sports news. Maria Sakkari into last four at WTA finals as owns debut on track. Harry Kane eyes becoming England's greatest goal scorer and ending trophy brought in Qatar. Rafael Nadal stunned by Tommy Paul in opening match at Paris Masters. From sickly child to world number one, Thai golfer Athaya Tetikul chased Tiger Woods' tail. Asian Chess Championships, India's R. Praggnanandhaa, P.V. Nandidha won titles. Indian Olympic Association polls to be held on December 10. And now news related to business. Sensex falls a modest 70 points despite a deep sell-off in global stocks. Rupee fall 10 paise to 82.90 against a strong dollar as Fed signals more hikes. Government assured Provident Fund subscribers they will not lose interest. Indian banks look for bulk deposits on strong credit growth amid tight liquidity. RBI's panel met to finalize inflation report for government. India's services sector optimism in October highest since early 2015. Meta added new tools on Instagram to help content creators make money. US Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 0.75% in fight against elevated inflation. India seems like an island of calm despite global risk, Nirmala Sitharaman. HDFC Limited profit jumped 24% to rupees 7,043 crore in September quarter. Now news from Science and Technology. Climate change to produce more rainbows, a study said. Scientists discovered Hughes River hidden under Antarctica. Mars quakes hint that the planet might be volcanically active after all. And let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 4th November in New Delhi will reach to 32 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 19 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.